Good morning, Primary 3. Today we are going to talk about comparative adjectives. First of all, let me remind you that the adjective is a word that describes a noun. So when I say the ball is small, where is the noun? The noun is a ball and the adjective is small. So in this example, the word small describes the word ball. And when I say he is a tall boy, he is a tall boy, the noun is boy and the adjective is tall. The word tall describes the boy. We use comparative adjectives to compare two people or two things or two animals. We add er at the end of the adjective, then the word then. For example, the word small. This is the adjective. We put er at the end of the word, then we put the word then. So you can say the ant is smaller than the elephant. The ant is smaller than the elephant. If the adjective ends with E, we just add letter R. If the adjective ends with E, we just put letter R, like large. Large ending with letter E. So we are not going to add ER, we will just put R. So we can say the sun is larger than the moon. The sun is larger than the moon. And also the word nice. Okay. It ends with letter E, so you have just to put letter R. So, for example, we can say, Salma is nicer than Hoda. If the adjective is one syllable or consonant plus vowel plus consonant, like the word big or hot, we double the last letter, then we put ER. Look at the word big. We have letter B, which is consonant, then letter I, which is vowel, then letter G, which is consonant. So in this case, we are going to write letter G 2 times and we put ER. So it would be bigger. The elephant is bigger than the ant. The elephant is bigger than the ant. And look at the word hot. We have letter H, which is consonant, then letter O, which is vowel, then letter T, which is consonant. In this case, we are going to write letter T 2 times and put ER. So we can say Aswan is hotter than Cairo. Aswan is hotter than Cairo. For adjectives ending with letter Y and before letter Y we have a consonant, we cross letter Y and put IER. Look at the word heavy. The last letter in the word heavy is Y. And before letter Y, we have letter V, which is consonant. In this case, we are going to cross letter Y and we put I-E-R. My bag is heavier than yours. My bag is heavier than yours. For long adjectives, we add more before the adjective. By long adjectives, we mean adjectives that contain more than one syllable, like the word beautiful, or expensive, or dangerous. We put the word more before the adjective, then the word than. Gold is more expensive than silver. Or we can say, the car is more expensive than the mobile. Or, the lion is more dangerous than the cat. Okay? Now I want you to open your booklet. To answer the exercise. Look at number 1. Okay. Open page 69. The first exercise, number 1. Ali's car isn't very big. He wants a space car. Here, we want to put the adjective big in the comparative form. Look here, the adjective big. We have letter B, which is consonant, I, vowel, and G, consonant. So, the answer is bigger. He wants a bigger car. We are going to double the last letter, letter G, and put ER. Okay? Bigger car. He wants a bigger car. Number 2, you are not very tall. Your brother is space tall. Tall. You can answer yes, we are going just to put ER. So it would be your brother is taller. Taller. Number 3, Ahmed doesn't work very hard. I work space hard. Think about it. Yes, it would be Ahmed doesn't work very hard. I work harder. We are just going to put ER to the adjective. Number 4, these flowers aren't very nice. The blue ones are space nice. Look, the adjective nice ending with letter E. So in this case, we are just going to put letter R. So it would be nicer. These flowers aren't very nice. The blue ones are nicer. So number 5, 6, and 7 are homework. Thank you so much for listening and see you next video, inshallah.